Hey folks, located this cellar hole yesterday, so I come back today. Got my metal detector with me and see if I can do a little bit of digging. I don't know if I can get the scoop in the ground or not. But let's check this foundation out first. Pretty cool. All rock. Trees growing up in the middle of it now. It's a pile of brick and stuff up there, I would say, by the looks of it. That was probably like the root cellar, cold cellar. And this part up here, you can see the outline was the upper part. It's quite a big building actually. This would be the corner of it over here. Right in amongst these three trees. You can see the ridge up that way. Ridge over that way. The cellar's over in there. It's a big building. This looks like the chimney come down here. That's pretty cool. Alright, well I'm going to see if I can do any metal detecting. If I find anything, I'll get you back up later on. Okay, located a target here, folks. Could be just about anything. That discrimination turned way up, but that doesn't mean anything. Yeah, all square now. It is definitely square. Now we just get it focused. Cool. On to the next. Just dug up this piece of stoneware where that square nail was too. Right on. Catch you on the next one. Target here, folks. See what that is. Right in here. Yeah. A little piece of metal. Can or something, it looks like. There's more of it. Yeah. Okay. On to the next. Got a good signal here. Let's see if I can get it out. It's right in the moss. Frag. That's hard digging in that. There it is, it's still there. Okay, I think I found it. Okay, this is going to take a while. So, looks like an old pot or something. There, okay. I'll shut you off for now. Yep, that's what it was. Great stuff. On to the next. Surface find here, folks. Look at that. Whole handle off a door, I'd say. Heavy duty. Well, on to the next. We got a beep on this target, but I see it's on the surface. You see it there? Right there. Shotgun shell. Bit of patina on it. It's a Winchester repeater. Number 12. Right on. Catch us on the next one. I'm down in the cellar hole here now, folks. And I'm getting a signal right there, so I'm going to shut you off and I'll get back once I dig it up. Okay, I see why the detector is going snaky there. Big piece of iron here, and it continues on down into the ground here. So that's that. On to the next. Okay, I just dug up a screw or something here, and this thing is going funky right in here. I don't know what that means, but just dig it up, see what it is. Hey folks, I guess that's it for the detecting around the old cellar hole there. My detector was going wonky on me because the batteries were dying. So, didn't have a whole lot of luck. Got a couple old square nails. Mainly Digger would appreciate that, I'm sure. He dug a lot of those. And, well, I'll have to get some new batteries and get back out again. Until then, thanks for watching, everyone. Good luck and happy hunting.